About 17 hours ago, last night, some kind of hacker attack or data breach or something happened, and a whole bunch of accounts started posting junk into my comment box. And it appears to be a combination of a woodworking scam and a weight loss scam. So what happened was, on all telephone videos, exclusively telephone videos, various different accounts, there's quite a few of them, started posting different commentary. Some of it would appear to be reasonable, right? Like if someone says, we really like the phone, okay. It doesn't quite fit the video because it's a instructional video, not a review, so it doesn't make perfect sense, but it kind of works. Great call block a phone. It doesn't work at all because the phone don't have call blocking. Call blocking a real plus. That don't work at all because the phone don't have call blocking. Finally, a phone that works. I'm pretty sure that phone didn't work, so that's ironic. AT&T BL102X system is great. It's a GE phone. No more spam calls rings! So a lot of these comments are garbage. Some of them kind of make sense. Good product, easy to program, that makes sense. So the point is they could appear fairly reasonable. But if we look at all these accounts, they're all kind of the same thing. Well, that one might be an odd one out. Here we go. This is the one I was looking at. A lot of them appear to be this. It's like some woodworking scam. It's got links to woodworking allegedly. Here's another one. Same writing style. It's obviously the same actor. Links a little bit different. Let's open up a few more of these. Okay, so again, woodworking scam, woodworking scam, woodworking scam, woodworking scam, and a lot of these are opened on or around April 5th. So I don't know if that's just coincidental or if this breach happened a while back, or maybe these accounts were created for this purpose. I have no idea. It seems like these just were probably accounts that were abandoned and were just not secured properly, and this malicious actor got in and started using them for this purpose. Finally, I can take a nap again. Woodworking scam. There's one of them here that was a weight loss scam as well. Let's see if I can find it again. Not that it really matters, but it look like they're all shed photographs here, which you can see just how many there are, completely out of control. And in the course of 1 hour, we're talking about hundreds of comments, and they're exclusively on phone videos, which is kind of weird. This looks like the weight loss one. Yep, weight loss scam. And you can see it's written by the same person. The writing style is the same. Well, this one actually has videos. Yeah, see, this is just somebody's account. They haven't posted for 11 years. So probably it's just an abandoned account sitting there. The password got taken, and now it's being used for this. Not good. And it finally ended, but I mean, just tons and tons of these things. So I suppose these accounts should probably get blocked for security purposes, because obviously they're malicious, driven by malicious actors. I don't think that they can do anything to the account unless you start clicking on the links. But either way, it's not good. So we'll see we'll see what happens tonight. See if we get another batch of these things come in.